If you want to open two apps at the same time using the split screen view on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you can open the first app that you want to open in the split screen view. So let's say I'm gonna choose this app. Next, we're gonna go to the background apps. And at the top of the preview, we have the app logo, so we need to tap on it. And then you should be able to find open in split screen view. There we go. Now in here, we should be able to choose the second app that we want to open in the split screen view. So you can just tap over here, and there we go. We can of course switch the position between them. You can tap on these three dots between these two apps in order to find that option. We can grab by these three dots in order to adjust the split. You can swipe all the way up or all the way down in order to open one of these apps in the split screen view. In the full screen view again. You can also tap on this line that we have at the top of each app to find some additional options. Besides that, we have a swipe for split screen gesture. So if you open settings in here and then scroll down to advanced features, then you should be able to find the multi-window option. And over here we can activate swipe for split screen. So when it's enabled, you can use two fingers. Let me actually go back to this app in here. We can use two fingers and swipe from the bottom up like this. And now we can choose the second app that we want to open in the split screen view. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.